Welcome to PayrollPanda. In this video, we'll walk through how to run payroll in PayrollPanda quickly, accurately, and stress-free. On your dashboard, you'll see a summary of your payroll months to quickly track progress and access each payroll run. You can also click into the Payroll tab to see an overview of your payroll list. Here in the payroll list, you can view all past and current payroll runs, including approved payrolls for easy reference and tracking. Clicking into an approved payroll will allow you to review payment details, breakdowns, and download files anytime. Let's run a new payroll. Click into a payroll month that hasn't been processed or approved yet. Then, click again into the payroll to view detailed payroll information for this period. Here you'll see the full payroll table. This gives you a complete overview of salaries, deductions, and contributions in one place. You can use filters to focus on specific groups of employees and review payroll data more efficiently. Employee contributions such as EPF, SOXO, and PCB are automatically calculated based on your setup. Employer contributions are also calculated automatically, so you can clearly see your total payroll cost. If adjustments are needed, you can edit payroll details for an individual employee directly within the table. Edit details such as basic salary, leave adjustments, and any additional payroll items. You can add additional payroll items including allowances or deductions here. You can then adjust the amounts for each payroll item as needed. To save time, reuse last month's payroll items when there are no changes. Added payroll items will appear and be recalculated automatically for the employee. You can click on Add Payroll Item to update multiple employees at once, saving you valuable time. Similarly, select the additional payroll item you want to add and adjust the amount. Then select the employees you want to add this payroll item for. You can filter specific employees or simply select all employees with one click. The payroll item will be instantly applied to all the employees you've selected. Alternatively, you can bulk upload a list of payroll items using PayrollPanda's template. Download the template sheet to fill in your custom payroll items. From here, upload the template as a CSV file to bulk add or update payroll items for your employees. You can continue making adjustments and review all updates directly in the payroll table until everything is set up. Once you're ready to process the payroll, click Continue. Before approving, review a summary of the totals and ensure all contributions look accurate. Once confirmed, approve the payroll to finalize the run. And your first payroll is now complete. Once approved, PayrollPanda instantly generates statutory files and employee payslips for you. Here, you can download payment files to upload to your bank or statutory portals for processing. Finally, you can manage and send employee payslips via email here. That's how easy it is to run payroll with PayrollPanda. Simple, automated, and reliable. Visit our help center or watch our other tutorials whenever you need more support.